We are here at Chainable. Chainable makes circular kitchens for the B2B market, in this case social housing or institutional investors. That means that tenants rent a house and we provide the kitchens for those houses. My name is Simon Rombouts, I'm one of the co-founders of Chainable and I'm currently the CEO of Chainable. Yeah, at the beginning it was a little bit hesitant because we were a new kid on the block pretty much. In the kitchen industry there's only a couple of big major players and we were a new player with a new product, a radical new product, a circular product, and in that sense it was new. There's a lot of different understanding of what circular economy means, but for us it means that we harvest old kitchens within our client base, so they provide us with material and we make new plate material out of that. So our plate material is already 92% circular. Then we design a kitchen in such a way that it's 88% we can reuse, and reuse is a way higher value than recycling is. So we can, for example, refurbish the countertop or refurbish the handles in such a way that we can do it on the spot and not take it, recycle it, put a lot of energy in and then put a full new kitchen in. No, we thought about how can we design the kitchen for reassembly, so you can disassemble it and reassemble it somewhere else in such a way you keep the highest value possible at every time. The need for the Cadmes Academy arose with us when we had a very rapid growth phase. We had a lot of new employees starting, 6 or 7 people started in a couple of months, and all those people needed to be onboarded, and the onboarding was done by me or my business partner, and it took a lot of time to get those people up to speed because we have a pretty complex product, a radical new product, a difficult market, and we needed to shorten the process of onboarding pretty much. That was the main reason we wanted to be able to every new employee could do their job within a couple of weeks. I think one of the success points for us is that most of the employees who onboarded in the last couple of months were almost fully functioning within 2 to 4 weeks. And we have as I explained, quite a complex product, and normally it took a couple of months. So you could say that's already worth the investment if you could shorten the onboarding period to a couple of months. Yeah, I would recommend the Cadmes Academy to companies that have, for example, a production environment, that have a warehouse, that have a lot of onboarding, are fast growing, they have a lot of new employees, that have maybe complex processes that they want to teach everyone, or that want to strengthen the culture within a company. All these different steps we use the Academy for, and they can also benefit from it. The biggest advantage is sort of the management team that we have followed this training course on how to build content and how to make really good content. And content can go way further than only like making a video, right? It can be making tests, making sure that every employee does these tests frequently. So you can also check if they did the content well and they understood it, and you can take it to a higher level of just knowing of something. No, you can really feel like they understood it to a fundamentally deeper level. My dream for the future of Chainable is that every kitchen will become circular. And for Chainable itself, on the short term, we hope to deliver 5,000 kitchens a year within 5 years. And that gives us a large enough volume to really have a buying impact power. So really go to our suppliers and say, no, we don't want a traditional product, we want a circular product, a product that is refurbishable. And now we feel like we are just too small to really make those demands. And within 5 years we are big enough to really incentivize those companies also to become more circular.